Hey guys, it's Andy, back with another marketing tip to help you build a profitable audience. Today we're talking about how you can use LinkedIn to export contacts so you can grow your leads. Alright guys, so after you log into your LinkedIn account, you're going to go to My Network. You're going to see all your connections, click on See All. And then from this screen, you're going to go over to Manage Synced and Imported Contacts. And from here, you're going to come down to Export Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to this screen where there's a lot of options if you scroll up and down, but you're going to go into this area where it's Download Your Data and click Pick and Choose. So from here, you'll just check connections. So these are all of the people that you're connected with. You're going to request archive. You're going to enter in your password. And that's it. And then once you enter that information, it says that they are going to send an email when your download is ready. And that's it. Right, and then about 5 minutes later, you're going to get an email that looks like this. From LinkedIn, and it's telling you that your file is ready to download. So you just go ahead and use this link. I know I have a ton of stuff open right now. And then you can just click Download Archive, and it just grabs it for you. And then in that archive, you are going to have a ton. Let me go to my downloads of information. So in here it's going to give you obviously names. One of the most important and cool things is email addresses for all of your contacts. It's going to give you their companies, their positions, when you connected. So this is going to be really helpful when you're sorting your list based off of whatever date you started connecting with this kind of person or this kind of job title. That might help you with your sorting, because if you have a big list like me where it's almost 1,000 people, then you're going to have some tactics. And another thing you can do for this is obviously the find. So if you're looking for someone who is a CEO, then it is going to give you all of the CEOs. See, they're kind of like hidden here. So yeah, so hopefully this is helpful for you in finding the right contacts for your marketing objectives and being able to target them through email, or even uploading this list into Facebook for a targeted ad. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this tip will benefit your business in a big way. See you next time.